Even though it's technically spring now, winter still isn't quite done with us yet, and some of us are about to find out tomorrow when we get some snow. A system from Canada will move across the Midwest along the temperature gradient, with a band of snow on the north side of this system. Overnight tonight into Friday morning, a band of snow will develop across southern Wisconsin, focusing on near the border by daylight hours tomorrow. Taking a closer look, we expect the main band of snow to set up near or just south of the state line around 6 to 7 a.m. It'll snow very heavily under this band, with an extremely sharp cutoff to the south of it. There will probably be just a few miles between no snow and a few inches somewhere in far northern Illinois. Then, while several hours of moderate to heavy snow continues across far northern Illinois north of 88, the main system will eventually push through, giving all of northern Illinois a quick burst of snow Friday afternoon. Taking a look at one model's snow forecast points out a few things. We're expecting a very narrow but intense band of snow across northern Illinois during the Friday morning hours. Snowfall rates could be 1 to 2 inches per hour for a time, and even some thundersnow is possible. We have seen a bit of a southward trend with this band today, but areas most likely to see accumulation will be nearest the Illinois-Wisconsin border, but anywhere along and north of 88 should watch for any last-minute changes tonight. This is our snowfall forecast for right now. You can see there will be a very tight snowfall gradient on the south side of the system, with 2 to 5 inch amounts or higher centered near the border. Amounts will quickly drop off further south across the rest of northern Illinois. Here's a bit of a closer look, and you can see how for now, we think the heaviest band will set up very near the border. Sometimes these narrow bands are hard to nail down, so we'll be watching trends to see if the area of heaviest snow may end up affecting more areas north of I-88. But for now, we're expecting a max area of 3 to 7 inches with locally higher amounts possible. The trace to an inch across the rest of northern Illinois will mostly be associated with a quick burst of late afternoon snow along the cold front. If you're across the northernmost tier of counties in Illinois, or you'll be traveling up to southern Wisconsin tomorrow, be prepared for slushy roads during the Friday morning hours. When snow is falling the heaviest Friday morning, road conditions may deteriorate pretty quickly across far northern Illinois. And for those that do see snow, this will be a very wet snow with temperatures right around freezing. For central and southern Illinois, temperatures will actually be in the 50s and 60s tomorrow. This very steep temperature gradient is actually what's feeding this very narrow but heavy snow band. So again, the further north you are in Illinois, the heavier the snow will be and the longer it'll last tomorrow. There will be a very sharp cutoff in snowfall somewhere across the northern suburbs to near Rockford. Between I-88 and I-80, most of the day will be dry until that quick hit of snow comes during the afternoon commute. So while this won't be much of anything for a very large portion of the state, and even for much of the Chicago area, very far northern Illinois into southern Wisconsin will be looking just like this tomorrow morning. We'll be posting updates throughout the night and Friday morning. Thanks for watching.